Here's our week 13 recap of our 1,000 hours outside. Here's the extent of his Monday and Tuesday hours, totaling 0. Wednesday, we sang songs outside. And we made animal noises. For a total of 30 minutes. Thursday, we went to a park where we used wood chips as currency to pay for things and went on the swings for a total of 1 hour. Friday, we decided to hop on the bikes for a bike ride. As soon as we got on, it was a lot colder than we realized, but we still made it 1 hour. Saturday, no time outside due to traveling, but we did tire him out for all the Easter activities. And then Sunday, after we opened our Easter basket, we got outside, played with a grill we got from my cousin, played with chalk, and then we popped some bubbles for a total of 1 hour. Here are the totals from our tough week. 920 hours to go. Check out March's recap.